We are learning to use thinking maps to plan for writing. Today we're going to talk about how to use a multi-flow map to plan for your writing. A multi-flow map is used when we are talking about a topic, which today is going to be earthquakes. We think about what causes the earthquakes and then what the results are of the earthquakes. So these are the causes of the earthquakes. Tectonic plates under the ground, the tectonic plates rub against each other, and the tectonic plates rubbing makes the ground move. And these are the effects of an earthquake. Buildings are shaken and can fall down. People can be hurt by things falling on them. The ground can crack and lift up or go down. When you use a multi-flow map to plan for your writing, you need to think of the causes of an event and the effects of that event. You can then use these ideas in your writing. A good idea is when you use each idea in your writing to then tick off that you've used that idea, so you know that that one's covered. Keep writing until you've ticked off all the things in your plan.